Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Here's a hot ticket, a 1969 Camaro, 383 stroker motor, 4-speed, a posi, and if you haven't noticed, it is a slick black paint job. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find all the pictures, the pricing, all the specs on this car, and a few hundred others that are all for sale. I have a staff of people here, and their job is to help you get your dream car. Whatever questions or concerns you have, let us know. Go to our website. You have all the different ways to contact us. We have shipping, we have financing. We can answer those questions and concerns. We've been doing this since 1960. So visit volocars.com. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos first. Right now, let's take this 69 Camaro for a spin. Again, it's slick. 69 Camaro and the 69 Mustang Fastback, two of the hottest cars ever. And when it's black, no vinyl top, spoilers, torque thrust wheels, it's got the exterior trim group, which is the moldings and the louvers here. I mean, that's a hot setup. What makes this one a little more unique, if you can see it or not, it has blue stripes, and they're custom stripes. I guess it's called like a crinkle finish. It's smooth, you don't even feel them, but it has like a crinkled textured look, and it pops when you see it here in person. I sold this car probably 10 years ago, and it's still holding up really well. So it's a quality car, it's straight, the body's clean and dry. Nice clean trunk compartment, it's got a nice mat, nice metal, the jam under here is painted nice Weatherstrips. All the moldings and trim, they're all shiny and sparkly as we're going around here on the turntable. Interior is very nice. It's all been replaced. There's a little nick right here on the edge of the door panel. Door jambs are nice. Window fuzzies are real nice. It's got the 4-speed with the console, factory tachometer. It has some aftermarket gauges installed in the console. Cowl induction hood. You can see some of that blue popping. 383 stroker, 425 horsepower. You're going to like how it sounds. I'll start it in a minute. Has a brand new carburetor on there. It's a big, giant carb, chrome plated, electric choke, MSD ignition, coated headers. Got Edelbrock aluminum heads, aluminum water pump, aluminum radiator. Everything was installed neatly. The wires are run so nicely. Power booster for the brakes, power steering, the steering lines, the fuel pump, shroud, everything looks nice and proper. Nice clean interior. It's got embroidered floor mats. It's got a Ford 9-inch. You ask why they put a Ford under a Chevy. The Ford 9-inch is just a heavy-duty rear end. It's a posi. That's all been built and installed in this car. Traction bars. The whole front end's rebuilt. Brakes were all replaced. They're disc in front. The brake lines, the fuel tank, a fat custom exhaust. Look at the pictures on our website of the underneath. You'll see what I'm talking about. A lot of replaced components. Gauges light up, heater controls light up. It's got the correct seat belts. Dome light works, the mirror, the visors, all real nice. It has a hands-free stereo. It's a little microphone attached to the visor. It's a nice looking, sharp car. Everything fits real nice too. It fits square and flush. Wheels look a little bit wider in the back. Got a nice stance. Got 6x9 speakers back here. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com. Camaros go out the door real fast, so don't waste any time if this is catching your eye. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have lots more videos to come, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.